Here's today's unit, guys. It's got to be about maybe 30 years old, over and under Goettl. We're gonna switch it with an ICP product. We're gonna go with the curve downflow, so it's gonna look good. Yeah, buddy. Dile que despacito. Dile que le vaya para acá. All right, we are almost done with the install. With these ICP units, something that I like to do is check the compressor compartment, and here's why. Look at that sucker. Freaking halfway out. Okay, we're gonna put that in right now. And then check these. These are always freaking touching something. Always rubbing. Look at that. Freaking. That's much better. I don't want to have any problems. I don't want to have any leaks. Make sure it's not touching anything. This is very typical with all ICP equipment. This one's a Payne, Carrier, Bryant. The tubes are always rubbing and the pressure switch is always rubbing somewhere. So make sure you take a look at that before you turn on your unit. Sounds really good. I checked the pressure already. Turn it off right now, but I took care of that plug, so everything's looking good here. I'll do a final walkthrough right now once I clean up. Well, here's the final product, guys. Let's check it out. Got the Payne 14 seer. Ton. I think it came out pretty good. I rerouted that drain just because that drain that was there, man, it's hella loose. So I'm thinking maybe it got disconnected. I did insulation in the attic here yesterday, and it's something I didn't check, so I don't want to call back from a wet attic, so I did run a brand new drain line. So I think it came out great. What do you guys think? Let me know.